just owe me. If you ain't gang, 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 don't approach me. Hello, ghetto.
Hey y'all, my name is Claire and you're watching Hair. Today I am back with another hair video, and as the title suggested, I'll be showing you guys how to do a sleek, low, double ponytail on type 4 hair. So to see how I achieve that, keep on watching. So I'm starting this process on freshly washed hair. I applied my leave-in conditioner in the shower. Now I'm just going to define my part. I usually do a straight middle part, but I'm going to try and do a zigzag part today, and let's see how that comes out. Okay, so the key to doing this hairstyle on especially thick hair is sections. I'm not about to slap gel on this and expect it to be sleek because it's not. So I'm going to divide my hair into sections. The amount of sections I use honestly depends on the state of my hair. Sometimes I can get away with about 4. Sometimes I have to go even smaller. So that all just depends. And you can use whatever works for you. If you have hair that's thicker than mine, longer than mine, you may need to use smaller sections. If you have hair that's not as dense as mine, or you have a looser texture, you may be able to use less sections. So it all depends on you. But like I said, the key to this style is sections. So once I part off these 2 in the front, I go to this back section. And you can use a comb for this, but you're not going to be seeing the part, so what's the point? So I'm going to this back section here. I'm just going to divide it across horizontally, and this is going to be the first section that I lay down. This is actually thicker than I would usually do it, but it'll work. And I'm going to focus on that section. So like I said, I already applied my leave-in in the shower. And you don't need to add a cream on top. I usually just go in with the gel, but today I'm going to add Texture ID styling cream on top, and the gel that I will be using is the Eco Styler gel. If you don't like Eco Styler, or if you don't use Eco Styler, you can always opt to use a different gel. Just make sure that it's a gel that has hold, because if you're really trying to get that sleek look, you're gonna need hold, especially if you want it to last long. So I'm just taking a little bit of the Texture ID styling cream because I really don't know how these two are gonna pair well with each other. This is my first time using these two together. I like to do this hairstyle on hair that's almost soaking wet, because it just makes it easier to slick down. And it also helps if your hair is detangled as well. I detangled my hair in the shower, but I like to go back in and make sure it's smooth, because once I start applying the gel, I don't want to have to go back in and detangle unless it's necessary. When you see a product, you want to focus on your roots, because you want that to be very sleek. Now I'm going to go over the gel. You don't have to bring the gel straight down to the rest of your hair, but I like to do that sometimes. But I'm focusing most of the gel on the back of my hair. If you don't like using a lot of gel, this is not the hairstyle for you. So So that's your first section. You don't have to put it in a ponytail just yet. You can leave it out, or you can use a clip like I am doing now, just to reduce the amount of ponytails you have to use. So now on to the next section. Try not to do it too tight because I make that mistake a lot. I don't feel it being tight while I'm doing it, and then I'm finished with my whole hair and I have a headache. So this is the finished look. Now we don't want to just walk outside with your hair like this. We put on a nice little scarf and let this set for like an hour or longer. Usually I let mine set overnight, but I'm gonna let it set for a few hours because I have a few more videos to record. But we've come to the end of the video. This is the finished hairstyle. My hair is still wet, of course, so the bubble ponytail isn't gonna look as bubbly. So when it dries, it's going to shrink up and up a bit more, but this is it. And we are sleek and laid, baby. Laid. So I'm gonna throw a scarf on, let this set, and be about my day. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want more content like this, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video.